Hey guys, this is Colin with Red Zombie. Today we're going to be showing you how the UV glass is uninstalled from the phone. So we're going to go ahead and get started on that. Here goes. Alright guys, today we have the Galaxy S10 Plus. We're going to be removing the UV glass off of the front surface. As you can see, it's installed perfectly, looks amazing. And what we're going to do today is remove it using nothing but a business card. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to get under one of the edges of the glass, as you can see there. And once it starts to lift, you can pull the glass off simply using a little force and slide it down, go around the edge, and it's off. And as you can see, it's just that simple to remove. There's no residue or any glue or anything on the surface of the phone. Everything is perfect.